have a new spelling rule to show you. I bet you've seen it before. Let's start by looking at some words together. This is an ant. Here is a group of 6 ants. This is a cricket. Here are several crickets. This is a moth. Here are a bunch of moths. The words on the left are all singular nouns because they refer to just one thing. The words on the right are plural nouns because they refer to more than one thing. Do you notice anything about how the plural nouns are spelled? They all end in S. We can make most singular nouns plural by adding an S, like in ants, crickets, and moths. Bugs and stickers are so much fun.
Give all of the singular nouns. To Rhea.
Girl. Door. Week. Name.
Woohoo! You found all of the singular nouns. Now, find all of the plural nouns.
Boys. Birds. Nests. Forks.
Great job! You found all of the plural nouns. Match the plural nouns with their pictures.
Planets. Books. Rulers. Rulers. Planets. Planets. Balls. Books. Swings. Swings. Books. Books. Trees. Balls. 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 Trees. Trees.
Good job! Find the plural nouns in this sentence. Scientists. Fossils. Neato. Scientists and fossils are both plural nouns. Find the plural nouns in this sentence. Trumpets. Songs. Cool beans. Trumpets and songs are both plural nouns. Find the plural nouns in this sentence. Kids. Floats. Good thinking! Kids and floats are both plural nouns. Complete the sentence with a plural noun. Rulers. Way to go! The word rulers is a plural noun. Complete the sentence with a plural noun. House. House. Schools. Super! The word schools is a plural noun. Complete the sentence with a plural noun. Planets. That's it! The word planets is a plural noun. Thanks for learning with me.